Hey everyone, I've got one of these Viro handbag padlock locks, which I'm going to give it a go. Lovely lock indeed. Love the mechanism. It's a sidebar. Lovely. It's one of these ones that looks like it's only got 4 pins, but actually inside of here there is, up here there's a trick fifth pin. So I'm going to give it a go at picking it. I'm using a Mad Bob's 1.2mm pry bar, and this could be in for the long haul. So let's give it a go and see what happens. The bitching on this one is quite tricky. This was actually a birthday present to myself. Loop on one. Get that top pin. If you heard the click, that was the top pin going across. So okay. Yeah, so the 4-pin, if you think about it this way, this is a 4-pin padlock that really shouldn't cause too many problems, but for me, it just seemed to cause real heartache. Everything about this lock seems to be just ever so slightly annoying. The shape of it's difficult to hold in the hand. Let's reset something then. I do like Viro locks actually. They do some really lovely, fun, challenging locks. But this one is really, considering how considered to be basic it really is. I'd say it's also the only lock I've ever seen that comes with a hologram certificate of. So I'm guessing it must be counterfeited quite a lot. Let's see if that top pin is working again. Okay. Pause. Feeling a bit of counter rotation there. I think it's just one pen. Ooh. Bit of a meal that, but it's open. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.